Careful, come on, girl. How much further? We've only been walking for 5 minutes. Jill, this time nature is actually helping me for once. We're not even at the forest. I wonder if there are any bears in the forest. Or rabbits. It's lovely up here. Are we going to have a picnic? I'll share my jelly beans. I'll share my what's it? I'll share my biscuits. What are you going to share, Erin? Yeah. Are we nearly there yet? It looks a bit scary. Don't worry. If there are any bears, I can protect you. That's all right. Wow. We're here at Sparmakini. Guys, look at this place. It's amazing. Wow. Must have been a house. Look, there's another door here. Wow, this is cool, isn't it, guys? Yeah. Oh. I wonder if there are any rabbits in here. Imagine who used to live here. Uh-huh. Look at this, everyone. I wonder what that was.
Maybe it was a cupboard a very long time ago.
That looks like a great wall to climb.
No, Mary!
Oh!
Mary, you're gonna fall. Get down from there.
Mary, what's wrong with Mary?
I don't know.
My head. Oh, what happened?
The boys are going to be back with the dinner soon. We need help with the dinner. Yeah, last time they never brought back any dead animals, did they?
Yeah, you're right, but we need help from Mary.
I know.
Oh, the cookers, everything's ready. Do you want me to pass the ale? Yeah, please. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave of Donald. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald.
They came in a blizzard, we offered the heat. A roof for their heads, dry shoes for their feet. We wined them and dined them, they ate all our meat, and they slept in the house of MacDonald.
Oh, cruel was the snow that swept Glencoe and covered the grave of Donald. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald.
Where you been all day?
What have you been doing? Who are you?
Anyway, tell us your story.
Well, I was fed up and the men weren't getting the food.
Well, you should have stayed here with us. We were doing all the work. You just stayed there.
So I decided to do some hunting.
What? The women and girls weren't allowed to go out of the houses until they finished all the work and the dinner.
Oh no, what's happened to Mary? Do you think she's hurt?
Why won't she wake up?
Mary!
Mary!
Mary! Oh, my head, what happened?
You fell off a wall.
Where am I?
Ballymakeely!
But that's impossible. Where's the roof? Where's the fire? Where's the food?
What do you mean?
And what are you guys wearing?
We're wearing our normal clothes.
But you were the mother of these two, and you were getting ready for the men to come home.
That bump in the head did her no good. I think it's time to go home.
But